Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Perplexity and choosing the Dalle e-image option. This gets you into the generator immediately. Type a focused prompt that lists the subject, style, and mood so the model has clear direction. Once done, add technical constraints like dimensions and aspect ratio, for example, 16:9 or square. Make sure to put prominent attributes first, because shorter key phrases guide composition more effectively than long, vague sentences. Now refine by running iterations and altering only one or two variables at a time. This isolates what changed the image. You'll swap style tokens, photorealistic versus watercolor, or tweak lighting and composition words to see impact. Once you've narrowed choices, set the variations count, and when available, a seed to reproduce results. Also include palette hints like warm tones or high contrast so outputs align visually. This step trains you. Finish by selecting your preferred variation and using upscale or regenerate features when you need higher fidelity. Download in the desired format and verify resolution for your use case so the image isn't pixelated. If something looks off, troubleshoot by simplifying the prompt to core elements, checking Perplexity's Dalle limits like characters or band content, and retrying with a different seed or slight wording change. This quick debug loop usually resolves composition or style mismatches fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.